We are here in Toledo, Oregon, Tidewater area. It's low tide right now, so let's see if we can find some fish this morning. We got up at the butt crack of dawn to do it. Should be a good day. Boat's all in the water, ready to roll. Okay, so we're gonna tie. This is tying on to your main line, to your first bead swivel. Usually do about 5 whips with it, my finger there. Come through, and then one more time through. And I gotta get it moist. The way it looks about like that. Give me a little tension. There we go. This maybe. That, and then let me get you here. And I need a little snap swivel for the top. A little more snappy.
Just take the inside corner of the river and the outside corner.
All right, let's see if I can unhook you here. Maybe a little faster to get things flowing. I want your spinner to start spinning. There it goes. Alright, so down in the ways on the bottom. Should have a little bit of play there. Okay, here we are. What day is it? 14th or 15th today?
No.
Oh, it's the 14th.
14th? Oh wow.
September 14th.
It's time to shoot
We've
now.
got Deadly Tedley at the helm. His rod's sitting there tickling, and my rod is doing a little bumpy bump because it's got a 360 on it. Sure is nice out this morning. Yeah, that is a full-blown Chinook.
That is awesome, man!
Hey, here we go. First one in a while.
It'll take us 20 minutes. I'll get us out of the way.
Got it? I'm gonna bonk him here. Oh, yeah. We got a fishy! We got a fishy! Oh, that's so
Afraid
great.
to say that. Mark a fish.
Oh, all right. Look at this big old thing. Whoa. Easy. Hard to see it, but man, look at that big old Chinook. Want something for your beard?
Ooh, 16 pounder. 16?
15.8. Not bad. A good start. Alright.
Nice day on the river. One in the box. First 20 minutes.
Within the first half hour, we're on the board.
Nice Chinook.
How heavy was it?
15.8 pounds.
Ooh, it's close to 16 pounder. That seemed bigger than 16 pounds. I think your scale's off.
It might be. We better calibrate.
This is cool. Maybe since I started my video, maybe I'll get a bite.
There's another, like 4 boats right here.
Alright, so everybody see that little spinner in the water? That's a good looking spinner. If I was a salmon, I'd bite it. And then let's see how this looks. Oh, the little trolling thing is doing its 360 move.
No, we were just going to start fishing though. We figured if you're going to come over here, we'll just take care of you and then we can go fishing.
Oh, no, you go ahead.
No, that's all right.
Have we talked to you yet? We haven't talked
No,
to
you haven't talked to us.
You skipped us.
You skipped us. We've been waiting.
you? I thought you were broke down.
No.
Well, real quick, you guys, can you just show me 2 life jackets, your throwable?
Yeah. Life jacket.
Perfect. And a horn or a whistle and a fire extinguisher.
Here's a whistle and I got a horn.
And you guys both have your salmon tags you can just hold up real quick.
How do you like checking people when they got digital?
As long as it works, it's
Yeah.
all good.
Oh, that's true because I can't make a phone call, but I can text from here.
Yeah. You can,
Mine's
you
not.
want to just scroll to where it says add harvest. We'll take a look at the documents.
Here, let me help you.
It's there.
Oh, to add harvest? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, you're good on that. Thank you.
Mine's still booting.
You guys are set up to make some movies out here.
Oh, you're on video right now. I should have told you.
He's got a YouTube.
Say hi to the YouTube world.
Gotcha. Hello, YouTube world.
Thank you.
Alright. That it?
Yeah, just once he
Oh,
can get
oh,
his
it's
tag
not.
up.
That's a little bit bigger boat than ours. It's like last cast, but last pass.
That's fast.
Alright, well, all you out of magic adventurers, wish me luck. We got one more pass through the Chinook winds. Hey, boys and girls,
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.
Fun day in the sun at the Oregon coast. It's a pretty rare thing.
Make sure you mash on that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you like it, and since we got to fish this time, make sure you share this one to whoever you can that likes fishing. Thanks guys, bye.